In the latest episode, a rising indie film star reveals how nature walks, micro-reflections, and deliberate silence sharpen creative instincts. They start mornings with a 20-minute forest stroll, cataloging small observations to fuel scenes with authentic emotion. Evenings are reserved for humbly reflecting on feedback, rewriting lines in a notebook, and sharing gratitude with the team. The actor treats workouts as playful rehearsals rather than punishment, aligning breath, tempo, and posture to sustain stamina. Viewers leave inspired to borrow these gentle habits, proving that success can grow from consistency, curiosity, and quiet intention.